I tried it in Ibadan. Award not pay. Problem lo shele. So they called me to perform first. You know they will call you to perform first before they give you award. That's what they do for Nigeria, not before Ilu Oyinbo. I dropped the first joke. Funny. My mommy, but she joke or not she joke. First joke, very funny. One idiot from nowhere just shout, ah! We need that from my boy. Who funny shofo? Ibadoniye. Second time, another mumu from one corner shout, ah! Lori buruku. Mi ò gbọ́rọ̀ eléyìí. Until I dropped the third joke when they called me for award. The guy said, ah! Ọlọ́run ló mọ lórí burúkú tó bí boy. And my mom was there. Oh, legon. So, actually, me ní gbádùn yẹn. Nǹkan ṣe yín. Ṣé mo pé mi ò rí yín fí mo ṣe yín salt yín? No. Nǹkan ṣe yín sir. No, I'm not joking. Ladies and gentlemen, I know some people are not happy the way they are looking at me, but do I care? Is it my business? I'm just oh my God. They will beat them. We kill them. They will beat them. You people don't understand. You don't listen to motivational speakers. Motivational speakers said, you lose some battles to win a war. We lost FA Cup, you were screaming. We lost ordinary Premiership match, you were shouting. You did not know that we were preparing for a big day. Oh my God. Speak on. Fede 4. Ben Nusan Radio 4. Now you don't understand what we were going through that time. Yeah, FA Cup, they beat them. I said, calm down. Yesterday was, oh my God, historic. Arsenal will not relate. Please, me see daddy me oh. Benga is here. He knows. For the next 2 seasons, they will not play on Tuesday, nor Wednesday, nor Thursday, nor Friday. Just Saturday and Sunday. Arsenal and go through a lot to at the prayer point in church. Even when they go to bars now, they don't give them cup. Arsenal fans drink with bottle. Ladies and gentlemen, quickly. Okay, now, my name is Petro, like I said. It's not just a superstar MC. They call me the bunch of comedy. Allah, freshness. They say comedians know they fine. Now the days of Agodaya and Omababa. I think fine. You know, see Dr. Smile. You know they see me. No time. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you, please, 2021 going to 2022. Let us pay attention. Some artists have performed. I was live joining Dr. Smile on his live video while coming from Lagos. These artists, please and please, don't support them yet. These guys don't like us, they don't support us, they don't love us. They only give us this vibe. I saw one guy who wore a long sleeve by. He was jumping, shouting. See Small Doctor, when he wanted to blow, Small Doctor will climb all the speakers in this place. Yes, Owabi. He was giving us energy. But you should struggle ni one more. Wait, when last Small Doctor climb stage? He don't get money, he don't build out for Lekki, he don't drive for red car, he don't travel all over the world. The same thing with this artist, see Wizkid, when he was struggling. Are you ready for me? When they introduced Wizkid that time, ladies and gentlemen, upcoming Banky W that time, make some noise. 4, a small boy I picked from Leeds City University, Ibadan. It's small, but you remember his name. Make some noise for Wizkid. Mr. DJ, are you ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Laugh On. Yo. Okay now. Thanks, boss. All right, thank you very much. Now, people will get money pass the club for me. Poor people know they appreciate me. Now, wow. It's not my fault now. Come on now. Please, if you want to be rich, join them, please. Join them. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. How na they now? Kilon shele. She wakpa. Emi obuimbo. She wanle. Ladies and gentlemen, a few days ago was Children's Day. When I was young, like my daughter, they taught me a song. I don't know if any one of you know that song. Sing along if you know it. They say, parents, listen to your children. We are... When they taught me that song, Buhari was president. I taught my daughter that song 3 days ago. Who is still the president? And you say we are the leaders of tomorrow. Nigerians can change destiny. How many of you know this one? Mr. Macaroni, if you want to marry me, oh yeah, Sisi Mia, Mr. Macaroni was on bicycle. Nigeria changed destiny. Now Mr. Macaroni is in Black Maria and Danfo. Life is hard in this country. Chelsea won yesterday. Everybody, they celebrate. Up Chelsea. Up Chelsea. They don't get hangover. They not fish out again. One Egungu for Shagam yesterday. He celebrates. As the Egungu they go, Chelsea. Now he can't hit them. Moto Bawere. They go say, Moto Tigbararun. Ararun. They go say, I made a carry. Carry on to the group. Now the masquerade they say, Ejo Majo Gbemlo group for Ejo hospital in Gbemlo. Gbemlo General Hospital Ejo is doctor in the group Ejo Cholong do me majem ko. Only but meme sharon Ejo Cholong taba Gbemlo mo dara. Do we have Ijebu people here? Ijebu people, are you here? I be confirmed Ijebu boy, FBI, full-blooded Ijebu. Ijebu and proud in the house. Make some noise. You know, they say like English language, you understand? The Ijebu language is very rich. You know, like you have it in the English language that you have the present tense, past participle. You also have it in the Ijebu dialect. No be so. Somebody will say, Inorim for konokpane koen, sewoti. So if they want to that, no, yeah. So that is pa, bo, boo. Man, I clap on ourselves now. You know, pass like that. Ladies and gentlemen, when I came here, I be the ask say shop right there. Abeokuta. He said, waiting, under. They say shop right no day. Waiting, they say he did. They say they get one. He said, waiting. Just right. That's just not right. How now not go get shop right? But I said that they consider and they look say maybe this place they like Ibadan because for Ibadan when shop right come open, I don't know who sent a message they come open for Ibadan. They came to Ibadan to open. The first day they opened, they had 30,000 people in attendance. Guess how much they made? 15.2. People they kill to buy toothpick. I know say Ibadan girls. Hello, please. Is there any Ibadan girl in the house? Is there any Ibadan girl in the house? Have you noticed something that your inadequacies in English language will force you to be quiet in public? You know, it's not everybody that you see in public that is normally gentle. If you don't know how to speak English, you will be humble. For instance, if one guy there where they feel talk where, you understand? You go say, who is this comedian guy? I don't like him, Jerry. I don't even watch his show on African Magic. I think the show is even boring. You just gotta take the mic from him. What's it? He's even wearing a very fake polo. He's just gotta say, I'm not feeling him, Jerry. Talk. That's because she can talk. Girl, we no fee talk anything. She will just be quiet. So the comedian now says a joke. The neighbor missing. Auntie, please, what did he say? Funny. But you see, Ibadan girls wey no sabi speak English, they are the most outspoken. They don't care about English grammar, lexical structure, or anything. They speak it the way they want to speak it. Mokola girls will tell you, auntie, our patronization, no, how much feezing at the eyelashes? Eyelashes at the feezing, feezing, I'm a One girl called late to work one day. The Oga said, Shadi Abalo Shemak Pedibai, what kind of thing is it? Why did you come late? He said, Oga, what? What? You know when you don't know how to speak English very well, you'll be angry with everybody. Have you noticed people in the bank? People in the bank will tell Oga answer and say, what? You don't know what thing go continue with. So the Oga was telling him, say, why did you come late? He said, what? Oga, are you not see traffic? Are you not see traffic? I am God. I'm not. No time. Ladies and gentlemen, time no deal. I just come here and support my brother, but I carry story plenty. Because when I dey Ogun State like this, yes, na Ibadan, they know me well, but now here my parents come from. Yes, someone clap now.